No, quiet! Thank you. Now, I'm in charge now because we'll have an important announcement that our good friend Woody the Woodpecker had never showed up. What? Never showed up? What? What? How come he never showed up? Well, that's a good question, Gru, but at the last race of the season on Season 2, but his cart has totally wrecked. See that? It's no longer working. So, does anyone else have a question when we decided to keep racing without him or something? Does someone else have a question? Anyone? Anyone at all? Yes, Bob? Oh, what? What did he say? What did he say? Bob said that, what if that he has an excuses? Excuses? Well, good question, Bob. Well, thank you. I have a question. Yes? What if we decided to keep racing without him? What if he never shows up? Well, sort of. But still. I'm sure he'll come back soon. But, and so, maybe, he took that rather well. And so, moment. Okay, now let me think a moment. So, moment. There he is. Let's go. How can I keep racing without them? Well, what's the use? Okay, just think something. Maybe I could get some help soon to help me to beat Mustachio or something. Did you want to tell him? Oh, wait, you tell him. Hey, why aren't you doing the cha-cha-cha beat? I just find out about the woodpecker. What? What? And? Well, are you gonna say something? I don't think the woodpecker is dead. In England, he's been sent to the hospital, and the last second season in London, and send him back to Los Angeles to send him home, and he's still all right. I see. Well, that's how it goes sometimes. Anything else? Oh, and I find out that Boris and Natasha, the Musevania villainy spies, are gonna sabotage the racing meeting until midnight. Well, you know what? I'm okay with it. Actually, just just contact them and ready until midnight. And when the time comes, your troops and the others of Ramboss II's will be there waiting. Yes, sir. He took that rather well. Listen, Tom, send the troops right now, okay? Yes, sir. The Pirates one? Yes, and the Ramboss II's one. On it, monsieur. Get ready. So thank you. Get ready, Natasha. We'll just have to wait until midnight. Gotcha, Boris.